Hello, all. Happy terrific Tuesday. So let's look at what we're going to work on today. So the first thing that you are going to work on, you should have already gotten your do now done. Again, today's do now is called 1219, and again, you're going to be practicing interpreting figurative language and choosing evidence to support your claim or answer. Today's objective, so today we will participate in a reading quiz. So you are going to take a quiz on the excerpt from Anne Frank's diary. In your reading quiz, you identify key details and analyze the text, looking for central idea, supporting details, and also author's style through diction. You will know you have it when you have scored 80% or higher on your quiz. So today's agenda, you will do the do now, you will write the objective, you will watch this agenda video, you will complete the reading quiz. Now you're going to do this by yourself. You're going to do it at zone 0. And I have talked to Miss Butera. She is going to set a timer for 25 minutes, and you are going to sit silently while people do the quiz for that full 25 minutes. If you finish early, you will sit quietly. If you need more time, she will extend the time. So you'll have plenty of time, but I want everyone to have at least 25 minutes. So don't rush. Look at each question. Read each option. Do process of elimination. I want you to do well. And you can use your book and you can use your notebook, but you cannot use your friend and you cannot use your phone. After you do the quiz, you're going to do a first read of Maus, and that is a graphic novel. And you're going to answer the Maus comprehension questions. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. There will also be a video on the first read slide as well, on slide 5, reminding you how to do a first read. And the slide 5 video, there is no slide 6, but the slide 5 video will be in Schoology. So have a great day, and I look forward to seeing how awesome you're going to do on that reading quiz.